Hi, Mike here. I'm with Tyler, expert technician, and Tyler, we're talking about emission stuff, and I crawled underneath this truck. In this case, we got the cab off here, and so it's a good time to show people what is this box and what does it do?
It's the EVAP canister. It all of the evaporative emissions gases flow through this, and it filters them.
Okay.
Also on this one, I believe you have your EVAP vent valve built into it, so that allows your tank to vent, so that when you're filling it will actually take fuel without causing a block.
Okay, so this is the fuel tank. It's intimately connected with this canister, and this is my understanding here. We're making sure the fumes that hold the balance in the tank, that the tank doesn't go back and forth, and that the fumes don't go out in the atmosphere. This box and filter are part of that, and then it's going to go up, and the engine's going to kind of recycle those fumes.
Yep.
Yeah. And so, what are some of the common problems with this system?
Generally, honestly, it's usually just you either get leaks or plugs. So
Okay.
if your vent valve stops working, you'll get the click at the gas pump before you're done filling,
Okay.
acting like it's full, but it's not actually full because it can't vent the pressure out of the tank.
I could see that some of these lines look pretty dried out over time. Get a little bit of brittle, and so that makes sense to me. Awesome.